My name is Lai. I'm from the Philippines. I came here in Kotakal last Friday because I had a elbow sprain. And I was having also a fever the same day. So my friend who usually coming here for massage and for treatment, they recommend me Kotakal. So they brought me here last Friday night, I guess. Then I met Dr. Anisa. I consulted to her and she advised me to have a treatment. The treatment name is Dara treatment and bandage, herbal bandage treatment, sorry. So the one who took care of this is Miss Deva. Miss Deva, she's the one who is with me during this session this week. So first 1 to 3 days, I feel little hard, but after that now I feel better because she took care of me very well and she's too much friendly. So I don't feel that I am under treatment. I feel I am speaking with my friend or sister only. Now I am feeling better. Within less than 1 week, I am very well good now. And I'm having also some medicine, which is herbal medicine. And they gave me also some oil need to put every day. So now I am okay. I'm feeling okay. Thank you.